Karina, you can just pull the door all the way open so they can go in if they want. Oh, there's Artemis.
My boy! Hello, chickens. What are you doing, chickens? Oh, God.
Smells like raccoon.
Oh, my God.
Smells
My
like the
boy!
thing that eats us. Slaughtered 2 of our brethren, sisters.
I literally had no idea chickens basically roll like a dog.
Mommy, look
Oh,
up,
turkey. Oh, so fluffy.
Good distributing poultry.
Mm-hmm. Good poultry distribution.
Oh, yes. Step on the hen.
It looks like there's a real snake here.
I'm pretty sure I just captured a turkey stepping directly onto a chicken on video. Why do they look like dogs?
Or do dogs look like chickens?
Good question. Which came first, the chicken or the dog?
Ellie's
Oh, so fluffy. Here, I'll move their obstruction so that they can roost more effectively. Why are you looking at me like that, turkey? My boy! Honey, just laugh at them. Why are you running? Lacey, why are you in there crying alone? You guys look like absolute fools. Hello, fools. Oh my gosh. I can see the dust coming off that thing.
Gosh, the one is gonna go to sleep. Fucking obsidian.
And Ellie's eating grass. All of my pets are broken.
She fits right in.
You know, I love that the turkeys are shaking the dirt off them, and the chickens are throwing dirt onto themselves.
Yep.
Thank you, honey.
The 2 different kinds of poultry. That would throw dirt onto itself. And that
Oh
would
no,
throw
I
dirt
forgot my
onto
snake.
itself. Does that log have a head?
Ellie's still eating grass.
Really?
Hope he's scared.
I bet. I think we're gonna do a bonfire, isn't that exciting?
Is Colt your favorite friend?
Oh, actually, Mommy's my best friend.